गुड मॉर्निंग डियर स्टूडेंट्स, मेरा नाम चंदन कुमार सिंह है। इससे पहले मैंने आपको क्लास 9th की कुछ वीडियोस सेंड की थी, आपने उसे ज़रूर देखा होगा। आज मैं क्लास 9th इंग्लिश मीडियम में लेसन नंबर 2 जो है उसे जो है कंप्यूटर सिस्टम, उसके बारे में आपको बताने आया हूँ। इंग्लिश मीडियम कंप्यूटर में जो है जो सेकेंड लेसन है कंप्यूटर सिस्टम, सबसे पहले उसके बारे में आप जान लीजिए। व्हाट इज़ कंप्यूटर सिस्टम? कंप्यूटर सिस्टम is a type of device that take input from the user, process it and give us output. Computer system has many parts, many components, and the various components of computer system are as usual as below. Just you see here that hardware, software and utility software, application software, these are the various things of component of computer system. So firstly we have to tell firstly I have to tell you the hardware. What is hardware? A hardware is a device through which we can do our whole work into the computer system. It is the various parts of computer system through which we give input and take output from the computer. The main hardware devices are various things. The main parts is the computer system has various parts. Number one, आप जैसा कि जानते हैं कि नंबर 1 में जो है ये वीडियो है, जिसको हम लोग विजुअल डिस्प्ले यूनिट भी कहते हैं। विजुअल डिस्प्ले यूनिट का मतलब होता है मॉनिटर। ओके, मॉनिटर जैसा कि आप लोगों ने नाम सुना होगा। व्हाट इज मॉनिटर? जो कि हमें आउटपुट दिखाता है। ठीक है, उसके बाद है सीपीयू। ठीक है, सीपीयू में जो है हम देखेंगे कि देयर आर वेरियस type in CPU CPU and they are memory unit, arithmetic logic unit and control unit. तो यहाँ पे हम लोग जो मेन पार्ट है उनके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं। वो मॉनिटर है, CPU है, कीबोर्ड है, ठीक है, माउस है और इसेंशियल जो हार्डवेयर पार्ट्स हैं वो बहुत ढेर सारे हैं। ठीक है, तो ये आपके जो मेन पार्ट्स हो गए। दूसरी चीज़ है पेरिफेरल। पेरिफेरल का मतलब होता है जो बाहर से लगे हुए होते हैं, उन्हें हम पेरिफेरल कहते हैं। कंसिस्टिंग ऑफ इनपुट आउटपुट यूनिट एंड सेकेंडरी मेमोरी आर नोन एज द पेरिफेरल यूनिट्स। जस्ट लाइक यू हैव टू से दैट प्रिंटर, ओके, mouse, these are the peripheral units that are usually combined to the computer through the any wire system or wireless system that are known as peripheral unit. So, third one is accessories. What is accessories? It means just like printer, scanner, headphone, the additional part of the computer system are known as accessories. As you say, floppies, ink, CD, ROM, DVD ROM, these are the accessories that are used into the computer system. Okay, these are known as the accessories. Okay, next topic is software. What is software? A software is a group of information that have some facts. Okay, the software are those program or instruction that user give to the computer system to make the hardware components function properly. Function properly means the computer system work genuinely and it have some meaning, that is known as the software. In other words, a set of program associated with the operations of the computer is called software. Okay, operations of the computer just like logical or arithmetic thing, these are known as the software. Okay, software are various types as you see here: system software, application software and utility software. What is system software? System software is that type of software their interface they are the interface between the user and the computer. It is of following types. What are the following types of system software? First one is operating system and second one is translator. Operating system. What is operating system? Operating system is a organized connection. ठीक है, फिर से सुनिए। Operating system is an organized collection of the integrated set of specialized program that control the overall operations of the computer. Overall operation means each and every operation, either it is input or either it is output, processing. These kind of things are known as operating system. Okay, so these things are known as, these operations are known as operating system. Some popular operating system, as you know, that Unix, DOS, Windows, these are the famous operating system through which we can control the hardware. Okay, now translator. What is translator? Translator means to set back the languages into high level, into low level, machine into high level language. These are known as the translator. Translator are various three types. Number one, assembler, interpreter and compiler. Assembler, this type of language translator can change the assembly level code into the machine level code. Assembly level program are usually used in past, so it is not working nowadays. Second one is interpreter. Interpreter means language that can change the high level language into machine level language. High level language means our language, just like ABC and Java, Basic, COBOL. These are the high level language, and these interpreter can change these type of language into machine language. Machine language means 0 and 1. These are called the machine language. Okay, it is also called binary language. So interpreter can change the high level language into machine language, but interpreter can change one character at a time. Okay, and it can change one word at a time into machine language, and if any error has been caught, the interpreter return all the given data to the user and said, first confirm the errors, then it should keep away to the other things. Okay, these are known as, these things are known as interpreter. Okay, compiler. What is compiler? Compiler is also a type of translator through which we can change the high level language into the machine language, but compiler can change a whole paragraph and read it and change it into the high low level language into the machine level language. That is known as compiler. Okay, next one is application software. What is application software? Application software is a software, it is a set of program designed for the specific use. Okay, designed for the specific use are known as application software. Just like word processing, you hear that word processing, it means Microsoft Office Word, Notepad. These are the things through which we can work into the application software. Some other application software are known as word processor, electronic spreadsheet, it means Excel. Okay, database system, DBMS, it is used within offices and many more organizations. DTP package, DTP packages are known as desktop publishing. It means various type of papers, magazines. These organization can use these type of things. DTP package. Graphics package, as you know that the logos, okay, various type of cartoon movies. These are the application software through which we can do these such type of thing. That is known as graphics packages. Okay, now third one is utility software. What is utility software? The utility software, these are the program through which are often used and required and requested by many application program. Okay, these are known as the utility software. Okay, ये ज़रूरी नहीं होते हैं, लेकिन कभी कभी हमें इनकी ज़रूरत पड़ती है. जैसे आप लोगों ने एंटीवायरस का नाम ज़रूर सुना होगा. एंटीवायरस इज़ आल्सो काइंड ऑफ यूटिलिटी सॉफ्टवेयर, और एंटीवायरस सॉफ्टवेयर आर नोन एज यूटिलिटी सॉफ्टवेयर. जस्ट लाइक आपने जो है पिखेल, एवीजी, Avast, these are known as the antivirus software, and it is also called a utility program. Okay, Next one is file compression utility. File compression means the utility enable to user to compress the size of any file, just like your given data or your given file are 1 GB or 700 MB. The file compression utility make the size smaller or bigger of that file. So these type of thing are used when it required. Okay, so it is not compulsory, but we have to use when the computer was required by these type of things. Okay, such type of thing, just like search engine. What is search engine? Search engine means Google. You all know about the Google. These are the things where we can find our data from the internet. These are known as the search engine. There are various type of search engine, just like Yahoo, just like Bing, Google. These are the things of known as search engine. Okay, now let us talk about the features of computer system. Features of computer system. The first feature of computer system is storage capacity. Storage capacity means it can store a lot amount of data and store and received from the memory of a computer, and these are known as the storage capacity feature. Okay, computer can store large amount of data when it is required. The memory unit gives this data to the computer, and such way these type of things are known as storage capacity, as like CD-ROM, DVD, hard disk, pen drive. These are the storage capacity points. Okay, now second one is accuracy. As you know, computer is very accurate, and it cannot give us error, because computers are error free, as they give us the accurate output, which is very meaningful. So as we can say that computer is good in accuracy, actually excellent in accuracy. So computer cannot get any type of error. Okay, now third one is speed. As you all know that the speed of at which the computer operator cannot be matched with that the human brain. Okay, they possesses the ability to perform million of operation per second. The speed of computer is what, million of per second. So the human brain cannot be matched about the computer. Okay, versatile. What is versatile? Human being have the capacity and the knowledge to carry out a specific kind of work. For example, a pilot cannot work as a doctor cannot work as a nurse or pilot. These type of things are known as versatile. Okay, next one is automation. What is automation? When appropriate instruction are given, a computer will carry out the task till its completion. जब तक किसी टास्क को कंप्यूटर पूरी तरीके से कंप्लीट नहीं कर लेगा, तब तक वो अगले काम पे नहीं जाएगा, ना वो थकेगा ना रुकेगा. Okay, these are known as the automation. Diligence. A computer is a machine, so it does not get tired, nor does it suffer from the boredom. It has an amazing ability to perform any number of operations without losing of concentration and without comparison and with accuracy. Okay, so this is known as diligence. Diligence, it means कंप्यूटर कभी भी बोर नहीं होता है, कभी भी थकता नहीं है, कभी ये नहीं कहता देखो मेरे हाथ दर्द हो रहे हैं मेरे, क्योंकि इट इज़ अ मशीन, सिंपल मशीन, सो इट कैन नॉट बी गॉट बोर्ड. ओके, नाउ सिक्योरिटी. एज यू ऑल नो, the computer files are very secure when the password are given in, so computer security is very high. Okay, now last one is reliability. What is the means of reliability? Along with the giving accurate result output, computer are must working and reliable, because human being can get the errors in their work, but computer cannot give any type of error into the file. Okay, these are known as the, this is known as the reliability. Okay, got it? Now limitation of computer. What is the limitation of computer? As you know, कंप्यूटर हैज़ नो इंटेलिजेंस. अपनी खुद की बुद्धि नहीं होती है. ठीक है, ये जितना यूज़र कहेगा उतना वो कर देगा. इसी वजह से कंप्यूटर में इंटेलिजेंस नहीं होती, अपना खुद का दिमाग नहीं होता. जब दिमाग नहीं होता है तो इसकी सेकंड जो पोजीशन होती है वो ज़ीरो IQ होता है, यानी कि उसके पास अपना खुद की सोचने की क्षमता बिल्कुल भी नहीं होती. इसे हम लोग कहते हैं कि 0 IQ होता है, बिल्कुल ब्रेन तो बिल्कुल होता ही नहीं है, ठीक है। एंड डिपेंडेंस ऑन पावर, सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम इसकी जो लिमिटेशन है वो पावर पे डिपेंडेंट होता है। अगर पावर चली गई तो यूपीएस बहुत ज़्यादा देर तक कंप्यूटर का लोड नहीं संभालता, एटलीस्ट 20 मिनट 25 मिनट्स। ओके, दीज आर नोन एज द डिपेंडेंस ऑन पावर। Okay, now let's talk about the functional component of CPU. What is functional component of CPU? As you all know, CPU have some work to do that was given by the user, and these type of things are known as such things, just like memory unit, MU. As you all know, computer have some memory to store the various data and information into it, and it is known as memory unit. As you all know about the hard disk, about the CD-ROM, these type of things are known as the memory unit. Okay, now arithmetic logic unit. As you all know, computer can do such type of thing about the mathematic things. So arithmetic means mathematical equation. The computer can do all type of mathematical equation for the arithmetic unit. Logic means what the user can say to the computer, that are known as logical things, just like sun rises in the east and sets in the west. These type of logical things are also capable to belong with the computer, and this is known as logic unit. It means arithmetic and logic unit, mathematic and logical, both equations are compulsory into the computer, and it is known as ALU. Okay, control unit. What is control unit? Such type of thing, just like arithmetic and logic unit and memory unit, can control the given thing that is known about that is known at control unit. It can control all the given processes and all the given arithmetic and logic units to such thing that computer can work easy and faster. These type of things are known as computer control unit. Okay, now that's it for today. Thank you.